Looking for smart kitchen upgrades that can make cooking, food storage, and cleanup easier? Here are 5 useful Amazon finds worth checking out. From a versatile multi-cooker to eco-friendly storage bags, let's jump in. Number 1. Our Place Dream Cooker. Taking the top spot is this 6-quart multi-cooker that can pressure cook, slow cook, sauté or sear, and keep food warm. It also features streamlined touchscreen controls and hands-free automatic steam release. Pros: for useful cooking modes, family-sized capacity, ceramic non-stick inner pot, and multiple built-in safety features. Cons: it's one of the more expensive options on this list. Still, if you want one stylish appliance that can handle several everyday cooking tasks, the Dream Cooker is a versatile choice. Number 2. Ninja Air Fryer Pro. With a 5-quart capacity and 4 functions, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, this 1750-watt air fryer is built for quick everyday cooking. It can handle up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. Pros: large capacity, versatile cooking modes, up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and easy to clean non-stick parts. Cons: it still takes up valuable countertop space. Overall, it's an excellent option for crispy meals with little to no oil. Number 3. Stasher Silicone Reusable Food Storage Bags. This 6-pack includes multiple sizes for snacks, sandwiches, meal prep, and larger food storage. Made from platinum food-grade silicone, these bags are reusable and feature a leak-free pinch lock seal. Pros: dishwasher, microwave, freezer, oven, and sous vide safe, plus reusable and BPA and BPS free. Cons: the upfront price is higher than disposable plastic bags. But if you regularly use single-use bags, these could be a smart long-term alternative. Number 4. BLUELAND Plastic-Free Dishwasher Tablets. Want to reduce plastic waste in your kitchen? These dishwasher tablets are 100% plastic-free and designed to tackle grease and stuck-on food while delivering a streak-free clean. Pros: plastic-free tablets, easy to use, septic-safe, and made with plant and mineral-based cleaning ingredients. Cons: at around 50 cents per tablet, they may cost more than some conventional options. A great pick for anyone building a more eco-friendly kitchen. Number 5. Caraway Ceramic Dutch Oven. This 6.5-quart Dutch oven is great for soups, stews, pasta, roasts, and even bread baking. Its ceramic non-stick surface is designed for easier cooking and cleanup, and it's compatible with gas, electric, and induction cooktops. Pros: large capacity, attractive design, oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, and PTFE and PFOA free according to the product listing. Cons: the premium price may not fit every budget. A stylish choice for home cooks who want both performance and beautiful cookware. So, which of these Amazon kitchen finds would you add to your home? Let me know in the comments. Follow for more Amazon finds, and check the link in the description.